Hi, I'm Kristen with APS EdTech, and this is a quick tip video on how to set up captions and translation in Google Meet. Showing captions on a Google Meet is a great way to complete parent-teacher conferences, IEP meetings, any place where you might need to have accessibility for the other side to read what you're saying, or even include translations for families who speak something other than English. Google Meets can be created in a variety of ways to share with families and students. You can go to meet.google.com and start a new meeting here. You can start an instant meeting or schedule one in Google Calendar. Or if you use Google Calendar, you can start the meetings from here. You can even set this up with appointment slots if you want to do that for parent-teacher conferences. To turn on captions during a Google Meet, all you need to do is go to Close Captions down here at the bottom and click it on. The default is set to English, and as members speak, their little emoji will show up at the bottom and it will start captioning as they talk. The captions will automatically punctuate and switch once a different person starts speaking in the Meet. To change the language to translate automatically from English or from whatever is spoken in the Meet, click on the three little dots icon at the bottom, then click on Settings, then click on Captions, and here you can set the language of the meeting to something other than English. Click the toggle to translate, and then choose the language you would like to translate to. Once that is on, you do not need to save the settings, just click the X to close it. Language at the bottom has automatically switched to Spanish. There is a little bit of a delay because Google is automatically capturing what you say and translating it into the second language, but it works pretty seamlessly otherwise. This is available to anybody joining a Google Meet, including families or students. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more quick tip videos.